In this Corolla Altis, we have gone with a three-way setup. I will explain in this video what and all we have done in this, what and all we have added in this vehicle to get a better sounding system. It's not a very high-end kind of a system, but we have gone with a three-way in the front with a coaxial speakers as well as a 4-channel amp, DSP and a separate source for the entire setup with a subwoofer as well. So let me explain you in detail about this car, what it was, what we have made in this car. So at first what we have done is the customer wanted a clean vocals on the front side. We have gone with the Oche three-way, that is a mid bass from Oche, which is AV 6.0, AV 3.0 for the mid-range, and the Twitter AV 1.1, which is going to be a complete combination for a clear clarity sounding in the front side. On the back side, we have gone with the coaxial speakers of Audison, and we are going to use a Morel 4.100 and an Nakamichi 230A Pro for the DSP side, as well as a Vextron subwoofer on the back side. The most important part was the customer didn't add a three-way in the front, so we have mounted the mid bass and the tweeter on the original position, but the mid range we have installed on the A pillar with the 3-inch pots. The whole music system in this Altis has been completely RTA tuned driver to driver, and we have made sure the customer is happy with the complete sounding system. We needed a better amplification for the speakers, which the customer will be upgrading in the next upgrade. If you are looking for such kind of a install with a clean finish, clean quality, as well as a good pricing, you have to visit RS CAR Modifiers.